Good morning, everyone. Today we will be learning about factoring by grouping and by factoring out the GCF as well. Here we see trinomials that must be factored by grouping and binomials through common factors or using the difference of squares formula. Let's look at 2x squared minus 2x minus 12. So we want to factor this trinomial by factoring by grouping. So you want to multiply the first and third terms and you will obtain negative 24x squared. You want to multiply two factors to give you negative 24 and add to be negative 2. Here we see negative 6 times 4 is negative 24, and negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Now, we must factor x squared, and that is x times x. So we know our two factors are negative 6 and 4x. So you bring down your first and third terms with your new factors that are equivalent to negative 24x squared. So we have 2x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 12. So you want to draw a line to split the four sections in half. On the left hand side, we see the two terms have 2x in common, and on the right side of the divider line, we see that the other two terms have 4 in common. So that's going to yield 2x times x minus 3, and then on the other side 4 times x minus 3. And then we factor it up by putting the greatest common factor of x minus 3 on the left hand side and the outer terms of 2x plus 4 on the right hand side because 4 is positive. Now 2x plus 4 can factor again, and it is divisible by 2. So now we're going to have x minus 3 times 2 times x plus 2. Now with x squared minus 25, you can factor through using the difference of squares formula, and that will be x minus 5 times x plus 5. Now the other binomial that needs to be factored is 2x squared plus 4x. So we see 2x squared and 4x have 2x in common. That is the greatest common factor, and we pull that out. So it's going to be 2x times x plus 2. Now let's put it all together on the right hand side. So it's going to be x minus 3 times 2 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 5 times x minus 5 times x plus 5 divided by 2x times x plus 2. Now we see that x plus 2 will cancel out because that factor appears on the top and bottom. X plus 5 cancels out because that factor appears on the top and bottom. Now the 2 will cancel out because 2x is the same thing as saying 2 times x. So 2 will cancel out, and so the remaining factors are x minus 3 times x plus 5 divided by x. That is your simplified solution within factoring form. And if you want to simplify even further, you will multiply x minus 3 times x minus 5 out, and then divide it by x to get the most simplified solution, I should say. But this problem requires you to leave it in factoring form, or you can simplify by multiplying the two binomials out in the numerator and dividing everything by x. Either solution that is equivalent will work. If you need online math tutoring, please text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $sign up front, MLBFan. Again, please donate on the Cash App with the $sign up front, MLBFan. Thank you so much. Let's learn math together.